What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel once again. Today we'll be doing a video tutorial on how you can enter a trade or open a position with Telegram signals. Yeah, a lot of people have access to this signal, but they don't know how to open a position with it or enter a trade with it. Today I'm here to help you with that. We'll be taking you through how you can open position with those signals on Telegram. So let's see. Yeah, this is the signal we'll be using. But before I continue, please, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, give a thumb up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And in case you have anything, let me know in the comment section below. So this is the signal we're using, called your Forex signal. And in case you're not on his Telegram page, just search called your Forex community and join. I'll try and get the community link in the description too below so that you can join. And you share a lot of signals here, and a lot of them pumps. You get a lot. See his previous signals. Yeah, something like this. JPY, that's the Empire of Blues. You see, 240 pips running from here to this place. So this is amazing. So right now he just sent a signal from 10 minutes ago. So we're using that to enter or open the position with it. So I'll be showing you step by step how you can enter a trade with a signal like this. Most of the signal, that's how they send it. Buy that, the buy price, that's the buy limit, take profit, and then stop loss. There's no signal that will not give you the stop loss and take profit and the buy price. Some of them, they'll tell you to buy that CMP, current market price. So if it is like that, you not enter the price at the buy limit, then you execute. In the case it is a sell, it's the same thing. So let's go to our broker. We are buying at this price, 163.49. That's the price at which we are going to buy. That's the buy limit. So we come here. I'm using Exness. In case you're not using Exness, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can sign up. Exness is one of the best brokers out there. Instant deposit, instant withdrawal, very, very fast. So the signals is JPY. Yeah. I already opened our position with it, but I thought it was that let me share this interesting idea with you. So in case some of you also want to trade. So I already opened a position with it, but I want to share this idea with you guys. So now the signal is telling us that we should buy. So we just click on buy. Here's our stop loss. So we'll be changing it to 0.1. Yeah, that's our stop loss. In case you don't know what loss size is, I explained that in my previous videos as how to use MT4 and MT5. Yeah, I explained that loss size is very important. So if you have no idea about it, check it in my previous videos. Then you are buying at the buy limit. So you enter 490. So this is the price at which you are buying. So we enter our take profit. Our take profit is what? This is our take profit. Yeah. You can choose the two of them, TP1 and TP2. Any of them you prefer. So I'll take the TP2 1.166.00. So our take profit will be 166.00. Then our stop loss is, I'll copy that, let me just paste it. Our stop loss is 162.89. Why I like Exness is that the one thing I like about Exness is they'll tell you the amount of pips and dollars percentage you're going to get and you're going to lose. So if these signals happen to work, you're going to get $176.16. That's about 252 pips. And then if it happen not to work, you're going to lose $40.99. That's about 58.7 pips. Yeah. So after entering these details, then you click on buy down here. Confirm buy. So now order is placed, as you can see top here, order is placed. Let's go back to our account, then you see. So this is my previous order open, and this is the pending order. This is the pending order. So guys, that's how you can open a position with signals on Telegram. And one thing you need to check is the signal, the time they send the signal. Let's say if it is about 30 minutes late, 30 minutes time, I advise you don't enter. But if it is less than 30 minutes time, sometimes you can enter. You can still enter the trade. Yeah. And mostly when you are around and they send it instantly, it's good to enter at that time. Yeah. So in case you are not following Kojo Forex on YouTube, he shared a lot of videos there. My trading strategy was transformed when I finally, it's a very cool video. He shared a lot of interesting videos on his channel. So in case you are not following him on his social media, you can just check now Kojo Forex and Kojo Forex. And there are a lot of scammers using his name to scam people. So in case you are trying to follow him on his social media or get contact with him on social media, be careful because there are a lot of scammers using his name to scam people. Recently, they opened a investment platform claiming that he's the one. Meanwhile, he has no idea of it. So it's a scam, something like this. Yeah, this is a fake account. So be careful. Be careful not to fall into scammer hands. As you can see, for your forest community, he's not the one. This is not his account. So if you are trying to you are trying to follow him on Telegram, you have to be careful with the account that you follow. I'll try and get his official Telegram channel in the description below. So guys, that's it. That's how you can open a position with it. And as I was saying, in case you're not using it. Yeah guys, as you can see, our position has been open. So we now have from pending to open. So that is how it is. So now let's wait and see by the close of the day how it will be. Either our stop loss is hitting, our take profit is hitting. And let me show you one thing. You can modify you gave two this thing, two take profit, TP1 and TP2. Let me show you something interesting. When the trade is ongoing and it is in profit, you need to adjust the stop loss. We enter the take profit too. So when the trade is ongoing and it has bypassed the take profit one and it is still ongoing, what you do is that you adjust the stop loss to the take profit one. That is this. You adjust the stop loss from here to this TP1 so that in case the trade is reversing, then it will stop at the take profit one. So you don't lose anything. That is break even. You adjust your stop loss to break even at take profit one. That's very interesting. So trade has opened and it's ongoing. So guys, that's how you can open a trade with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to check the description too below for Exness account. If you're not using Exness, I'm missing a lot. Seriously, I'm missing a lot. That's one of the most reliable brokers behind most of the successful traders. Kojo Forex is, as I was saying, he's using Exness. A lot of successful traders. You know, behind every successful trader, there's a reliable broker. And Exness is one of the brokers behind all these successful traders you see out there. So don't forget to check the description below and open an account for interesting features.
Creeping up from the heathens, got
watching.
will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit, so sharp drop so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up.
Yeah, so guys, this is amazing. Just some few hours ago, as you can see, it is in profit right now. Yeah, so don't forget to check out Koyo Forex.